Alright, it's arrived. 300 watt panel from eBay. Although, judging by the size of it, I am not sure it is 300 watts. What have I got to compare its size with? Yeah, Motorola G5 mobile phone. There we go. Right, let's have a look inside, shall we? Let's unbox this thing. Try and do it one-handed because I'm holding the phone in the other. I'll be astonished if this really is 300 watts. It's not impossible, technology is improving, although I have a 100 watt panel and that's multiple times the size of this. Right. Here we go. One solar panel. 245 by 210. No labelling. So that we can see how much power this creates. But this is the panel, 345 by 210 millimeters. It would help if I put it the right way up in the video, wouldn't it? Let's pause it at this point. Now these wires, if I can get focus on them, they are so thin. There's no way you'll get 300 watts down that, not at 12 volts. From physics, the power is the volts times the current. So divide the power by the volts, you get the current. So 300 divided by 12, that's a little short of 30 amps. There's no way you're going to get 30 amps of current down those wires. None at all. Now thankfully it's a nice sunny day today, so let's put the panel in direct sunlight. Let's angle it so it's absolutely optimal. Now, I have with me my multimeter. Let's put on the 200 volt setting because it's likely to go above 20 when open circuit. Where's the other probe gone? There we go. Now this is where I could use probes with crocodile clips, but I've got that right now, so we'll just have to make do. And I'm trying to do this or film and use my multimeter, just one hand. Yikes. You know what? Let's curve that a bit. They can sit in there. So use the meter. Oh. Let's see what I get. Ooh, it's fiddly this, but I don't want to do an edited video. Okay, 21.9 volts, 22 volts. Yeah, that's okay. Right. Now, let's flip that across onto the 10 amp setting. Bet it won't go anywhere near that. .3 amps. 0.3 amps at 12 volts. Well, 22 volts, yeah. 6 watts, yeah. eBay, this is another scam. It's a total scam.